Hello everyone, this is Dr. Abhinav, and today in this video I've invited a special guest. So we have Dr. Rajesh. So he has cleared his FMG December 2021 exam in his first attempt. So here he is saying few tips and strategies on how to prepare for the exam, and he has also shared his success strategies for the exam to clear in his first attempt itself. Plus he will also be discussing on the advice for future exam takers. So let's see what he says.
Hello guys, myself Dr. Rajesh here, and as we already know, the December FMG exam results are already out, and I passed the exam with a very good score. So, in the previous video, we already discussed about how is the exam pattern and how the paper was, everything we discussed. So, in today's session, let's discuss about how to prepare for the FMG exam, the next FMG exam. As I am so happy that I clicked my exam in my very first attempt. So let's follow some tricks, some steps, so that we can clear our exam in a very fast attempt. So first of all, I will clear to all of you that I am going to give all my credit of success to the MIST Institute, who helped me so a lot in my preparation to click this exam. So let's discuss about some steps how you going to prepare yourself. So as I said before, everyone of you already remember that don't choose any subjects, right? So we have to uh, properly or thoroughly study all the 19 subjects, and then after completing all the 19 subjects we are going to revise each and every subject, because the exam pattern nowadays are totally integrated. They will mixed up all the subjects, so we can't think that we'll get a particular number of questions from a particular subject. So what we have to follow in the preparation is first the thoroughly completing of one after another subject without any skipping, and then the proper revision. So the revision is the main part of this preparation. How much your subject you are completing and how much content you are keeping in the mind, that doesn't matter if you are not going to revise it properly. So what is the main key to click this exam is good and proper revision. So before that, what we are going to do, before that what we will do, that when we are completing one after another subject, we have to prepare a proper note of each content we are going to memorize, and we will also mark what is the important point in that notebook, and what is the important questions, so that when we are going to revise it, we don't need to read again the content totally. We have to only see the important point which we have already highlighted. Okay, so let's take an example for the students who are going to write the upcoming FMG exam, the June FMG exam. So maybe you are going to start the preparation from January. So what we are going to do, let's think you are going to start first the anatomy, and you completed your anatomy in 15 days, right? So next you are approaching for the biochemistry, or maybe take physiology. Then what you will do, like that you are approaching one after another subject. So there is a moment where you will feel like that maybe the previous subjects which have already completed, I am forgetting the content what I have already written. So to avoid that problem, what we have to do is, whenever you are approaching to a new subject, in those time also we will keep 2 to 3 hours for a rapid revision for the previous subjects we have already completed, so that there will be more written of that content in your mind, and you will not feel that fear that I am forgetting some of the subjects. Okay, after completing of the 19 subjects, then I am saying about the last 2 months before the exam, or let's take last 1.5 months before the exam. In that period you have to do mostly the revision things. At that moment you should not retain some new content for any subject. By that time you have to complete all the 19 subject, and make sure that how much content you are keeping in your notebook, you have to again revise those things. So make your a note for every subject is mm, the amount how much you need, how much is really needed for the exam. Not like I have to remember everything about every subject so that I will be more talented and I will clear everything. No, 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 not like that. For the exam, how much is needed, the portion with a proper guidance, you cover only that much, so that it will helpful for you to revise it later. Okay, if you keep more content, then you can keep how much content you can add, but at the end you are not able to revise that. So for that purpose you make the content properly, only needed for the FMG exam, so that you can revise it very easily. So let's talk about the revision part. In the last 1.5 month, what you are going to do, you are going to divide your revision into the 2 or 3 revisions. How you will complete your 2 and 3 revisions? Fast, like you according to, because the plan is for every student, they have different memorizing capacity, and they have some different plan for each of them. So what we have, I can't say that everyone should follow this, but maybe it will be helpful for some of you. So what you are going to do? So in the last 1.5 month, when you are going to revise the subjects you have already completed, you divide one day into 10 to 12 hours. In that you take one major subject like surgery, OB-GYN, or the PSM, or the internal medicine. Those subjects you give for the revision maximum mostly 6 hours a day, or then two minor subject like ENT, and then maybe you can say the orthopedics, or you can say ophthalmology, or the forensic medicine, like that. Those two minor subject you take for 2 hours. Like that you divide for the timing for the revision. And make sure guys, you have to give for the study, you have to give 10 to 12 hours for the study per day. Minimum 8 to 10 hours, maximum 12 hours you can study. If you increase it further, then it's very nice, but this is the time limit you should give for your study and the preparation. And one most important thing is you have to consistent throughout this 4 to 5 months, because consistency is the main thing to the success. Because see, some people will like today they will study 6 to 8 hours and 10 hours, oh my god, I studied so much, and then the next day they will study maybe 2 to 3 hours, and the next day again they will study 4 hours, 5 hours, 8 hours. This, then the consistency will break, and this will not gonna help you much. So you have to maintain a consistency to complete this revision and to achieve your goal. And the after like this, the time, when you will follow this timetable, by maybe the 15 days, by the 15 days you will 15 days you will complete one revision very nicely. And the next revision, the next by the next revision you can make your revision more faster than the before one. So when there is 10 days or 10 to 12 days before the exam, at that time you give one more fast revision to each subjects, like the surgery, the PSM, the anatomy, the microbiology. These things are what they contain so much data. We have to remember so much data, so that you will be so that if you keep one fast revision to all these subjects at the last 10 to 12 days, so you will get more benefit from that. And most important thing is the one day before the exam, guys, see all the images of all the subjects. You keep them for a last revision in the one day before the exam, so that all the images will be fresh in your mind, and you are going to answer all the images in the exam. Like this, if you follow, it will going to help you a lot. Maybe the content I am providing to you in here is not so precise, but I think I gave small amount of data which I followed while preparation of my exam, and it's gonna help you. The people who can guide themselves by their own, it will be very nice. And for the people who are not able to concentrate much, and they are not able to guide themselves by their own, and they need a platform. So for my personal advice and my personal opinion and my best experience, I'm saying you guys, go and join Mist. Mist is the only key to the success, what I felt after click my exam, because they are the best mentor who will guide you to achieve your goal for sure. Just follow whatever they are saying, and see how you'll reach your success. That's all guys. And the main thing is, don't stress out, don't get so much stressed, don't get so much stressed that how I'm going to complete everything, how what will be happen after 2 months, what will be happen if 1 month before the exam. These all these questions will come into your mind, but don't think about that. Just go through the process, one after one subject you complete, and simultaneously give some small hours of 2 to 3 hours revision to the previous subjects which we have completed, so that you will not feel the fear of forgetting. And then rest of all I said, how to do the revision at the end, how many hours, 10 hours, how you are going to divide, and you complete the revision. By if you follow all these things, it will be very easy to click the exam. Because remember guys, from 300 question you have to only correct 150, and that is not a so big thing which is totally impossible. It's not like that, it is very nicely possible. Just you have to keep your full dedication to this work. Every one of us, we already know that what we did when we are in our university, how much we studied, how much we not studied. Whatever we did in our universities, that doesn't matter for now. The thing matter is what we are going to do in this 4 to 6 months, how much hard work we are going to do, how much dedication we are giving to our work. And this will definitely gonna help you guys, and you will come out with flying colors. So never worry, just relax, chill, and now start for your preparation. Because maybe you are the one who will be so much happy at the end of June, and with all your success. So all the best guys for them who are going to attending the exam next FMG, and thank you.